Alright, so some bad news. I lost my footage from yesterday of capping off that line, putting that ball valve in there, and getting all this line pulled out, going up to the garage. So hopefully I can recover it and get it shared. But today we're gonna work on getting a new line pulled through, tie back into the other one here. So we're gonna have to dig back down and get that closed. It rained a little bit last night, so we'll go get a shovel, get that all cleaned up and exposed, and see if we can get the line ran through conduit and get a string pulled so we can get the new line pulled through. See if we can get this started and see if that string will go. Hopefully it will. Need to make that hole just a little bit bigger. I think we're catching. And it's going. It's going. See if we can make it just a little bit bigger without cutting the string. Okay. A little bit better. Got it back on. Got that on. Let's try it again. Alright, tried adding a couple more bags in there. And I dumped water down this line yesterday. It really messed us up. Filled it full of water, so now the bags are just getting so heavy and I don't want to go nowhere. So I doubt it's going to work. We'll end up having to dig it all up. We'll see. Huh. Same thing, only wants to go a little bit and then stops. I think the whole line will have to end up being dug up. Unless whenever that water comes, if we can flush a bag or a line down through, which I ain't too hopeful of it. Yeah, I'm not getting too hopeful. Man, is it humid after that rain. Okay, we're gonna try it with the vacuum on. I had it off last time. That's all the further it's going. Plan B. Okay, second plan here, at least to try and fish something through, is going to be put a golf ball on the end of the line that we pulled out and feed it back through. Now I know many of you are probably thinking, well, why didn't you just tie a string or something to it before we pulled the line out? And the reasoning for that is the line broke, I mean dead center. So we had to pull that half out down there and this half out up here. So without trying to dig it back up, get a string through, so that way we could just pull a rope and pull a new line in. So when we go to install the new line, which is going to be one solid piece, in case anything ever happens to it, we're going to tie a rope and send it through with it. So if something stupid ever happens, the rope's already there to go ahead and get it a new one pulled through again. I mean, this line's probably, oh, I don't know, 12 years old, but the clamps on it fell up there. Go figure. So put some tape on. That way the end of the pipe don't catch. Okay, now, tie a string to the end of it and hope that we can feed it through this way. Here goes nothing. If this don't work, then we'll wait until a tank of water shows up and we'll try and flush a bag down through that way. So far, so good. hitting something. Hitting something here. Huh. Can't be good. Surely it ain't the bag down there. Go down and get that one pulled out just in case, but I doubt it is. Here. Let's see if we can get past it. Yep, we did. Alright. Seems like whatever was hung up on the first time, that pipe boat is getting hung up again. That ain't good. Not good at all. Bunch of mud or something in there. It's not going any further. Alright, that mark there, a halfway point's all the further we can get any water line to go in. We've tried multiple different things. Flushing, shoving the line back in, shoving a different line back in, both ends. Vacuuming, all kinds of stuff. Nothing seems to be working. So, for now we're just going to cap off the under drain. Leave where we put that blow off valve for the house in for now with the pipe to cover it. And then come fall time, late fall, we either dig up the halfway point and see what we got there, or dig a whole new trench to go all the way back up to the garage. So later this year we will be coming back to this project of the water line from hell at this point. So see how it goes later this fall on this project.